Get ready to impress your taste buds with crispy and juicy chicken wings baked right in your oven. Come join me at the fish camp today, and I'm going to make some easy and delicious chicken wings. I had to run up to Jessup this morning real quick to the fish camp to meet a delivery driver. And I decided while I was there waiting, I would bake some chicken wings. Now these are fast, they're easy, they're delicious, but more importantly, they are not spicy. I do not like spicy chicken wings. Now the first thing I done when I got to the fish camp was I preheated the oven to 425. Then I took a batter bowl, put a half stick butter in it, and melted it. Then I stepped over to the counter and grabbed my seasonings that I brought with me. Now this is, let me see if I can remember. It's 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Now just mix those seasonings in your butter real well, and you're ready to take your dry chicken. You've patted it dry with a paper towel, and you're going to put it in your batter bowl with your butter and your seasonings and just toss it till you get it all evenly coated. Once they're coated, you're ready to place them on your baking sheet. Now I put parchment paper on mine just to help clean up with the mess. But what I like to do is spread them out so that they're not touching or barely touching. And I like to turn the skin side up so that it will get crisp. Once I have them turned up, I'm going to put them in a 425 oven. Now you can cook them as low as 25 minutes. I think I cooked mine about 35 today, but they were good sized wings, so you just have to check that for yourself. While they were baking, I took the opportunity to walk outside, look at the camellias that still have beautiful blooms on them. There's a few sago palms in the yard, and I noticed some of the trees around the water are starting to put on some green leaves, so spring is definitely on the way. And here they are out of the oven, all nice and crisp and hot, but wouldn't you know it, the delivery drivers are here now. Hang on just a second. Well, I finally get to sit down, but my wings are cold. But I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to try one anyway. When I get home, I'll just pop them in the air fryer, and I'll eat a few then. But I did make me some ranch dressing to put on them while I was here, so that was good. Oh, they're delicious, just like I knew they would be. All right, it's time to gather up my supplies and head back home. It's been a good day. We've got a lot accomplished here at the fish camp, and I was able to cook tonight's supper all at the same time, so I call that a productive day. Y'all make these wings. See if you like them. We love them. Now, my husband likes them a little spicier, but he can do that on his plate. But y'all give me a try. Tell me what variations you like or you cook for your family, and I will talk to y'all later.